bass players are always the coolest guys in the band, bro. Look. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy KELVII, baby. Aha, back with another reaction for you. Okay, I got another special clip by IU, Sleepless Rainy Night. Okay, this is another recommended, so I figured I'm here, I might as well do it. I got you. Yesterday I posted 6 videos, you know, so I'm working. Today I might post another 6, you know. Who do you know that's working as hard? I don't know. You know, you let me know. Is anyone working as hard as me? I don't know, man. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, okay? It's road to 10K, let's get it, let's go. If you like the video, make sure you smash that like button, okay? Join the family, bro. The fact that you clicked on this video is a sign. Like, you should hit that subscribe button because... Come on now, stop playing with me. But let's get it. Bruh, the guy on the keys right now, killing it. I like that tone. Those are like Rhodes piano, right? Rhodes keys. I don't know, but it's a vibe. We're gonna start that again, bruh. Cause gracious. Ah. Okay. Yeah. Ah. Vibe. Ah. Ah. She knows she killed it, right? She knows she killed it. She had to hit us with the after just spitting like that, riding the beat like that. Hey, shout out to the band as well. They're killing it. Okay, they're doing a great job. IU. Okay. She knew it. She was like, I just killed that. Sangin'. That guitar, man. Okay. Bass players are always the coolest guys in the band, bro. Look at this guy with his shades on, just chilling. Look at him there. He's like, yeah, I'm that guy. You know? sound of rain makes my mind wet. She just having fun now. Killer, bro, that was lit. That was a vibe the whole way through, beginning to end. I was head bopping, bro. I was moving, I was vibing. I was vibing for real. Gracious, bro. What can I say? Like, there's nothing new for me to say. I feel like everything I've needed to say about IU, I've said it. She's just amazing, you know, like, I like this whole look, you know, the whole vibe that this is giving off, you feel me? The band killed it. Great job to the band. Let's clap for the band, you know. Good job, guys. The keys, the electric guitar, the bass, the drums. IU doing her backgrounds, you know, it was a vibe. It was nice, cool, jazzy kind of feel, you know, like if I was in a bar one time just chilling and this and the band, the live band started playing this, bro, I would be vibing. You know, no complaints. Quality. But yeah, thank y'all for watching, man. I'm switching up. I'm trying to change my, like, I'm experimenting with my camera right now. Trying to see what kind of colors I like out of the camera, so I don't have to like edit the colors and stuff. Because usually, like when I first started uploading these reactions and stuff, I felt like I was just like too flat, you know, like there was no life in the picture of me, if that makes sense. So yesterday I switched it up, but I felt like it was just way too red, if that makes sense. I don't know if you guys felt like that, like my skin was way too red. So today I'm trying this, and this is how I look right now, you know. I don't know how it looks, because what I see in the screen isn't 100% what I see when I edit. So I have to wait until I actually edit it, you feel me? But yeah, comment down below if you guys like this better than yesterday's. But I think this is better. From what I'm seeing right now through the screen, I think I like this better. But yeah, let me know, comment down below. Let's get it, let's go. On to the next. Like I said, I might do 6 videos today again, we'll see. It all depends on times. I started filming a bit late because I was, like I said, I was playing around with my camera. So that took some time out of my day trying to figure out exactly what I like and what I think would work for me. So I'm just trying this out. And yeah, so I'm filming later than I usually would to drop this many videos in a day. So hopefully I can still get it off. If not, I tried.
Damn baby, hold up. Girl, I just scrolled up. I just wanna know, why do you do them like that? Pictures you're posting, angles you're showing, all of them poses make them want you so bad. Shawty, what can I say? You got hips just like Beyonce, looking like